I'm with Dre here, and today we're talking VR. Dre, you want to tell me about yourself?
I'm Dre. I'm Dre Smith, one of the co-founders of Sweetfolio and one of the creators of Knockout VR. The game took me, 6 to 8 months to build. Trying to get colliders right, being able to have a structure behind animation, be able to program certain animation triggers at certain times. All that stuff is difficult, and I will show you throughout the demo. So, I'm going to start the game.
All right.
Doing everything.
What am I seeing right now? What's this environment?
So this is the Knockout VR arena. The enemy's not wasting any time. He's going to be attacking you, but you have to punch him. He's going to react to all your hits. For this, you'll be hitting him, trying to knock him out. This is actually one of the first things we started adding to the game. We just started implementing the score and actual round timer. So you're just doing freestyle hitting. Hopefully you don't hit me. You can continue hitting the bag, just continue hitting. So how it's moving back and forth, it has a hinge, which is attached to the top. So if you look up, you see that it looks like something's invisible, and it's not. It's another collider there just telling, hey, just go back and forth. The difficult part is trying to get it to actually move around like an actual heavy bag. What it took to actually build all this, program all this stuff together was I use C#, which is using Unity a lot. I could have chose JavaScript, but it would be really hard for me to try to implement that and understand Unity style of JavaScript. But I decided to stick with C# and just programming the actual heavy bag was pretty simple. Once the control collides with the bag, then do something, and that's what you see here.
How did you get into VR in the first place?
I got into VR. My first demo was Tusking demo. I was playing around with the Oculus DK1 at a hackathon, and I went from playing around with games to actually doing 360 video. I just did various 360 video projects, and then I just wanted to get more into games. I was taking kickboxing class, and that was one of the inspirations behind Knockout VR.
Yeah. I mean, it's a lot of fun. I mean, I feel like I'm talking to just a force out there somewhere in the room.
You look around you see the entire jet.
Yeah, it's really exciting.
If you understand the web frameworks like JavaScript and you start playing around with WebGL, you can start doing some VR stuff there. But if you really want to start doing some game engine programming, I say learn Unity and pick up C#. Start off by doing some Hello World projects in Unity, and then go from there. Build on top of that knowledge. That's how I got started.
How do you keep up in the VR space? How do you find out what other people are working on and new things coming up?
There are a lot of VR hackathons. There's websites like Upload VR, which is great, but I'm mostly in my own world all the time. So, trying to create cool stuff is, I just try to stay in my lane and just build things.
I'm in your world now.
Well, I'm glad you're liking it.
It's a beautiful world, I maybe go with sort of the lighting seems a little fluorescent lights. I don't know if I was sitting here all day, I might get a little. No, it's this is beautiful. I'm so happy you made this world for me, and
thank you.
Yeah, it's really excited. Thanks so much for showing this off.
Thank you for having me.